We are honored to have this opportunity to serve you. At Mr. Michael's Basic Firearms Training, safety and self-defense are taken very seriously. We started this training program realizing there was a need for a better way to train new gun owners than what we saw in the marketplace. We understand that knowing how firearms work and the laws associated with them are critically important when owning a firearm. We focus on safety, knowledge, self-defense, and laws associated with firearms, not just shooting a firearm. I hold a wide range of training certificates, which include being a certified NRA and IDPA range safety officer. I look for the latest information available pertaining to firearms for my classroom and range training, ensuring that you are always up to date on matters associated with firearms. Owning a firearm comes with responsibilities to yourself, your family, and others. Firearm selection is a personal choice governed by only what the intended use will be. When choosing a firearm for target practice and recreational shooting, the selections are endless. However, when choosing a firearm for home protection, the choices become more personal and critical. Personal protection against violent attacks are extremely critical. This is why we have included the 4-color code awareness system for personal protection in our training program. Awareness is the number one tool for surviving a violent attack, not a firearm. In home security, we offer in-home training and analysis. We research the latest firearms laws for California for use in our classroom and range training, ensuring that you are receiving the latest information. We know and understand that should you ever need to use a firearm for personal protection, that this act can and will be the most stressful experience of your entire life. Therefore, we point you to resources that deal with these kind of stresses for your benefit. It is our mission to be the safest, most firearms-focused training facilitator for your investment, giving you the gratifying results that you expect from your choice in us. Please accept our appreciation and sincere thanks for letting us serve you. Sometimes in the rush of business, we fail to say thanks loud enough to hear. But you can be sure that our patronage is never taken for granted. Our aim is to please and satisfy you. Let's start training.